You work hard, but at the end of the month your money disappears and you don't know where it went. Have you ever felt that no matter how much you try to save, you just can't get out of financial trouble? If this happens to you, know that it's not by accident. There are financial mistakes that many people make without realizing it, and they could be keeping you trapped in a cycle of struggle. But the good news is that these mistakes can be avoided. In today's video, I'm going to show you the biggest financial mistakes that are stopping you from getting ahead, and more importantly, how to eliminate them from your life to build a solid financial foundation. Pay close attention because a single mistake could be costing you years of progress. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, spending everything they earn without thinking about the future. It seems normal, right? After all, that's how most people live. But this is one of the most dangerous mistakes. When you don't save part of your income, any unexpected expense can turn into a financial disaster, a broken car, a health problem, a sudden layoff. Without savings, the only way out is to rely on loans, credit cards, or borrowing money. And that's how the debt snowball begins. The key to avoiding this trap is simple. Spend less than you earn. I know this may seem obvious, but most people don't actually do it. A simple way to start is by applying the 50-30-20 rule. This means that 50% of your money goes to essentials like housing, food and bills, 30% to leisure and wants, and 20% to investments and emergency savings. If saving 20% isn't possible right now, start with 5%, 2%, anything. The important thing is to build the habit. If you lost your main source of income tomorrow, how long could you survive without going into debt? Another serious mistake is depending on just one source of income. Most people rely on a single salary and believe that's enough. But what if that salary is suddenly cut off? How will you pay your bills? This is a huge risk that many people ignore. The secret of those who achieve financial stability is diversifying income sources. Even if your job seems secure, never trust it 100%. There are many ways to create new income streams, such as freelancing, selling products, monetizing a hobby, or even investing in assets that generate returns over time. The important thing is to start. Even if it's something small at first, having a second source of income could be what saves you in an emergency. And speaking of emergencies, let's talk about a mistake many people make: using credit cards without control. A credit card can be a great ally when used correctly, but for most people, it's a trap. When you start using your card as if it were an extension of your salary, you're digging a hole that's hard to escape. If you only pay the minimum balance, trust me, you are throwing money away. Credit card interest can turn a $1,000 debt into more than $3,000 in no time. And that happens because compound interest is working against you. So if you're already in this situation, the best strategy is to renegotiate your debts and stop using the card until you regain control. A good rule is only use your credit card for planned purchases and never spend money you wouldn't be able to pay in full. Now let's talk about a mistake that seems harmless but destroys many people's budgets: not tracking expenses. Do you know exactly where your money's going? Many people have no idea how much they spend per month on small purchases, delivery orders, subscriptions, and other seemingly insignificant expenses that, when added up, make a huge difference. Have you ever withdrawn money or paid for something with your debit card and days later realized your account was empty without knowing where the money went? This happens because small accumulated expenses go unnoticed. The best way to prevent this is by tracking all your expenses. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or free apps that automatically categorize your spending. Here's a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, write down every single expense, even that coffee or app tip. By the end of the week, you'll be surprised to see where your money's going. Now let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes that prevent people from building wealth: leaving money sitting idle or not investing. Many people still believe that saving money in a regular savings account is the best option, but in reality, inflation erodes the value of your money over time. This means that if you leave your money untouched, it loses purchasing power. To prevent this, you need to make your money work for you. And no, you don't need to be a financial expert to do this. Nowadays, there are investments available even for those with little money, such as treasury bonds, index funds, and other fixed income options. The important thing is to start, even with a small amount. Your invested money grows over time, And that's the difference between those who build wealth and those who spend their whole lives trying to catch up. Now that you know the biggest financial mistakes that may be keeping you stuck in financial struggles, let me know in the comments. Which of these mistakes have you made? And which one will you eliminate from your life starting today? If this video helped you, leave a like and share it with someone who needs to get out of financial trouble. And if you want more tips to improve your financial life, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. Small changes can transform your life. The first step starts now. See you in the next video.